Hello everyone, my name is Dai and I'm a student at Humboldt College. So today would like to tell you about the life and art of Harry Mustead. I choose Harry Mustead because he is a famous artist, talent painter and sculptor in the history of world art. My presentation will be about 6 minutes long and it will be divided into 4 sections. First, I will talk about the background of Harry Mustead. Next, I will tell you about education. Then, I will explain to you about the style and influence. Finally, I will talk about the success of Harry Mustead. So, you see up at the bottom of the slide 1, my preference, I took everything on Wikipedia and Britannica. So let's start with the background information. Henry Mustead was born on 31 December 1869 in France. He died on 3rd November 1954 at Nice, France. His nationality is French, and he also is the oldest son of the wealthy grand merchants. He has a daughter with a model, Caroline Chopler, and the daughter's name is Mercury, and she was born in 1894. Then he had 2 sons. One named is James. He was born in 1999, and one is Barry. He was born in 19th, with Emily Knowles Perez. Second, I will talk about the education of Harry Mustead in 1887. He studied law and worked as a court administrator. Lee Curtis Caprices. However, in 1891, he returned to the Barrett to study art, and he studied art at the Academic Trillions, and he became a student of William Adolph and Rusty Woodrow. Third, I will tell you about the style and influence. When he began with the art, he just painted life, landscapes, traditional style, which make him achieve reasonable proficiencies. He not only affected by some people you see in the slide 3, such as Jean Baptiste, Nicolas Poussin, Edouard Manet, Anthony Watteau. But also he's still affected by Japanese art and seasons. However, trading is the most influence in the Mustead's life. Also, Mustead found his main inspiration by a science of pictorial structure and color. Finally, I will tell you about his success. Mustead became famous in 1926 by having him return to painting an elegant, bright, and brilliant drawing style, which helped his name throughout the world, and he already had a lot of work, such as Woman Reading in 18 1895 on Oil on Board and Bluebird and Lemons 1897 on Oil on Canvas. Besides, Henry Matisse also has a lot of work like the Grand Prize for Painting in 1927 and International Painting Award in 1948, 1950, 1952. The first legacy of Matisse were part by a public collection was still life with the geraniums in 1910s and is exhibited in the Panacolored Moderns. In conclusion, the name and career of the artist Henri Matisse had a golden imprint in grace on the history of world painting. Thanks for listening. Do you have any questions?